everyone. My name is Kevin. I'm the Senior Sales Manager from KMC Chain Industrial Company, and we are the #1 leading chain manufacturer in the world. And we produce around 100 million chains per year. So we are the biggest one with the most quantity. We have around 70% market share in the world. Okay, this year we have some new products. We have X series from 8, 9, 10, and 11 speed. Especially it's the 11 speed nowadays upgrade from 10 to 11, so more quantities. So we focus on to satisfy all the road, mountain, and our concept is one chain for all. So our chain could fit all the systems, including Shimano, Stran, Capriolo, and also fit both mountain bike and road bike. And of course, we also sponsor a lot of famous teams and riders. For example, Judy Brasset. She is the #1 mountain bike rider in the world currently. We are the third title sponsor. We sponsor BiH, Capriolo, KMC Bike. We are the third title sponsor.